Hello, I am Avinash from Rudra Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am studying in 8th standard. For this competition, I made vegetable cutter on the topic of what's new in kitchen technology. It is useful for slicing vegetables like beans, coriander, garlic, onion, etc. It can reduce the time duration of slicing the vegetable into fine, and it can reduce the use of knife. It is the replacement of kitchen appliances. For the mechanism, I made a use of DC motor for the rotation of sharp material to slice the vegetable into fine. And I connected this DC motor with the battery for the energy required to run the DC motor to slice the vegetable. After I connected this XW battery and DC motor with the on-off switch for controlling this circuit. Like this way I prepared this. And another thing is that it can be charged at home without the use of electricity by placing the battery into a salt solution by placing for some time. See how it is works. When I place vegetable, I am placing chili into it. It starts to slice. See how finally it is stopped. That's all. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to Propeller Technology for allowing me to express my talent. Thank you and bye bye.